Leadsleap login page where you have the pinned unsolicited testimonial. So take your time to read this. But now let's scroll down to see what you could get from Leadsleap. You could get free traffic, a free autoresponder service, a free page builder, a free pop-up generator, a free link tracker, and a way to make money. If you scroll down further, you would see these explained in more detail under these 4 tabs. So take your time to read this to get a full grasp of what you could get from Leadsleap. You have a ton of information here. So we want to focus on how to use the tools, the free tools. And I'll be explaining the list management system and the landing page builder. So let's scroll back to the top, log in, enter in my username and password. If you don't have an account, you would need to sign up. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. Yes, so I'm in. Here you could further see what you can achieve with Leadsleap. There's so much information and so many tools that you could leverage on. But to keep this video short, I'll focus on how to build your list using the list manager, how to manage your lists, using your list manager, and how to build your pages. If you look at the left side, you could see where to access these on the menu. So we'll start by building a list. We'll click here, add a new list. I already have some lists built up, but to demonstrate how to use this tool, let me build a new list. Call it any name you like. Call it business niches. Takes you to the next step where it says set up this list. So click the gear icon to set up this list. Mouse over the question mark sign and you could see more about this. This is for advanced users. It already says here optional, so I will skip in that in this video. This video is just for an introductory purpose. So I put in my name here, put in my email address. Now this name and email address is what is going to be displayed when your autoresponder sends out emails to the people on your contact list. So this is what we're setting up here. Email verification code. I've set up a couple of lists and the email verification code is always the same. Okay, so I wouldn't need to get a new one. Just to show you the second one, and it's the same. So if I get another email verification code, it's going to be the same, but it doesn't hurt. You could always click here, send code to the above email address. You will need this email verification code before you can save this information. I customize my welcome email. Now this is the email that will be sent when somebody opts in to your landing page. You could omit this step because the list ID has already been created. This is what you need to set up your landing page, but let me just put in something here. Okay, this is subject of my email. Smart greeting is if you want to greet the person with his or her first name in the subject. Smart greeting in the body is if you want to greet the person with his or her first name in the body. So if you put a smart greeting here, if the person that opts into your list is called John, it says, "Hi John, what is your business niche?" In the body, I prefer to keep this in the body, so, and keep a space or 2 spaces here. So it will start with a greeting, "Hi John," assuming the person that opted into your list or into your capture page, his name is John. So it says, "Hi John, thank you for subscribing to my list, and whatever you want to put here, you could put here, and you say save changes. Now this is a preview text. I like to use a preview text to catch attention. I'll say close this. Now this appears if I go to my email, okay, that will appear here before it says hi John, okay, just like you have it here. Okay, I don't have a demonstration here, but you could try that out. The preview text would show before the user opens the email, but after the user opens the email, it doesn't show anymore. So I'll click here, save changes, and this is done. Now I go to designing my landing page. I click on my landing pages. I have some here already, so let's create a new landing page. I'll call it business niches landing page. Say add now. Now this is how to create your landing page, and the next step now is to launch your editor. Now this takes me to the page builder, the interface where I'll be able to design the page. So hold on a sec while it loads. Okay, fine. So this is where I would connect the landing page to the list I created for it. So this is the list number. I'll be talking more about this before I end this presentation video, but for now let's go to the template. So you have templates to choose from. You could customize these templates, change it however you like, so on and so forth. So let's choose this template. You need to choose a template before you can begin to design your landing page. I know some page builders come with blank templates, but in this case, if you want a blank template, all you need to do is click on the template and click on the delete icon here, and it goes off. Okay, but I would like to work with this template, so you could change the text here, whatever you want to change. You click on it here, and you come to the editor and change it here. So you could write anything you want to write. This is a demonstration video, so I wouldn't go into too much of editing detail. Okay, so let's assume this is what I want to write. Okay, my turn. 5. Okay, so let's leave this for now, and you could change the font, whatever you want. You click on it here, you could change the size. Okay, you could expand the borders, you could change the font, you could change the color. Click on it here, change the color. You select the text, you come here to text color, change it to red, you can make it bold, you can make it italics, and so on and so forth. So you play around here with the editing of what you want to create. Now this is important, because if your page has an opt-in form like this, in this case, you want to click here and you want to be sure that this is on submit, because this submit will make the user, after entering his email or her email and his name or her name, when he or she clicks this button, it gets the person's details sent to your list. Now if you have a thank you page, if you're familiar with designing lead capture pages and you have a thank you page, when the person clicks on this link, you want a new page to be displayed, either to replace this page or to open in a new window. So I like working with thank you pages. I have one already designed here, but if you don't have one designed here, you could skip this part, finish designing this page, go back here and design a thank you page. This is one of the thank you pages I already designed. Let me show you the preview. Let's use this one. Yes. So assuming I want to use this thank you page for my business list landing page, all I need to do is to come and copy the URL here and paste it here. As simple as that. I like to open it in a new window, so I click open in a new window. So this is a preview of my thank you page. Great, you're in. Just mail you at the email address you provided. Remember also to check your spam promotions tab. Okay, so if you're done, you're satisfied with everything you want to do, you could click save. There are some features where you want to add ads, where you could earn pay-per-click earnings. If you understand what that means, PPC earnings from other members of leads pages. So if you want to do that, you click rows and you click special role for ad widgets. So ads will be displayed here, just like it says here, by other members of lead pages. And you could time the ads. Okay, we'll get to that, but let's leave this here for now. If you need more rows at the top, rows at the bottom, you can add a row, 1 column row, 2 column rows, and if you by default it goes to the bottom. To take it up to the top, click here and drag it right up, so it gets displayed here. Okay, but I don't need this row, so let me just delete it. Just one sec. Okay, no element in this row. Okay, if I create an element, then yes, the row becomes active, but I don't need this, so I'll delete it. And I'll come here and delete this row. It says confirm delete. I say yes. Okay, so we're done here. Click save. Work saved. If you want to preview, you could preview here, but let's go back to the members area landing page section, and this is my landing page. This is the list management system it is connected to. To activate this page, to make it to begin to work, I need to click on this recycle icon or where it says toggle status and click activate. So now it's active. So my list is active, my page is active, and that's how you set up the list management system and landing page. So when someone visits your site, it goes into your list. Let's go back to the lists, and it says your subscribers. When someone subscribes into your list, it shows the number of subscribers here. Okay, so that's how you get started here. I hope this video was of value to you, sign up if you don't have a Leadsleap account. So thank you.